In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using the Wise platform. Wise is a leader in low-cost international money transfers, and it's quite simple to use once you get the hang of it. So, let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wise account. If you haven't signed in yet, just head over to their website or open the Wise app on your device and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard, which is your starting point for all of your transactions. Next, look for the Send button. It's prominently displayed on the interface, making it easy to find. Click on Send to begin the process of transferring money. This action takes you to a new screen, ready to gather the details of your transaction. Here on this page, you'll notice a section where you can click Add Recipient. This is useful if you plan on creating a list of people or businesses you regularly send money to. However, for the purpose of this guide, we'll be focusing on sending money through email. If you're sending money for the first time or to someone new, you can directly enter their email address in the designated field. Once you've entered the recipient's email, move on to the amount you wish to send. Pay careful attention to this part, as this is where Wise excels. The platform automatically converts the currency for you if the recipient uses a different one than your own. It's a great tool for international transfers, ensuring you always know exactly how much your recipient will receive in their local currency. After setting the amounts and ensuring all recipient details are accurate, you'll notice two more important pieces of information: when your money is expected to arrive and the fees and taxes that are applied to this transaction. Wise is known for transparency in fees, so you'll be well informed. This is where you can double-check to make sure everything aligns with your expectations. When you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click the Continue button. This command will bring you to a review page where you get a final look at all the transaction details you've entered. It's important here to make sure everything is correct, from the recipient's information to the amount being sent. If everything checks out and you're satisfied with the details, the last step is to click Confirm and Send. Once you've done this, Wise takes care of the rest, and your transfer will be on its way. You can continue to track its progress via your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully sent money using Wise. Remember, Wise values security and convenience in their service, and by following these steps, you can take full advantage of what they offer. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.